Welcome to the channel. I'm Stacy and my goal here is to help you to play better and sound better in your worship services. Today we're going to go over the preset for the song O Come All Ye Faithful. For this one I use the SX30 and the 2x12 Bluebell cab. This amp is great for clean tones, edge of breakup tones, as well as their signature Vox crunch. I had a little fun with this one and I maxed out the feedback on the Euclidean delay. This delay adds a rhythmic repeat, and when you max out that feedback you get a nice textured pad that works well behind any of the softer moments of the song. I pushed the amp with the Diana drive, which is a Zen drive, which is a Dumble overdrive special in a box. This overdrive sculpts the EQ of the guitar, tightening the low end, and the way that it breaks up works really well with the AC30. The signal chain for the HX Stomp is the Deluxe Comp into the Diana drive, into a single SX30, into a dual 2x12 Bluebell cab. Then we're going into the Elephant Man, which is the Deluxe Memory Man, then the Euclidean delay, then the Dynamic Hall Reverb, and the simple EQ to bump that holy mid-range. The snapshots are set up with SS1 for the lead tone, SS2 is a clean tone, SS3 is for swells, and then in order to make those adjustments on the fly, I kept the HX Stomp in edit mode and I had the Euclidean delay selected and I had it to where I could adjust the feedback. I just turned that up when I needed it and then back down. The signal chain for the Helix is similar with the Deluxe Comp going into the Diana drive, into the volume pedal. Then we're going into two SX30s, each with their own cab. Then the Elephant Man, the Euclidean delay, the Dynamic Hall Reverb, and the simple EQ to bump that holy mid-range. The snapshots on the Helix are similar. SS1 is lead, SS2 is clean, SS3 is for swells, and then I set up SS4 with that feedback maxed out. I'm going to run through the preset with the Les Paul, with my Gretsch, and with my Strat. All right, let's hear it. One of the things I miss about running a full pedal board is adjusting dials live. This song was perfect for that. The Elephant Man does the oscillating thing as well, only it gets quite a bit louder as it goes. The Euclidean delay fit perfect. Are there any effects that you'll adjust live in a worship setting? Let us know in the comments. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, subscribe and hit that like button for good measure. If you'd like the resources for this song, you can get them at a link in the description box below. There's a handful of downloads free for you in there as well. All right, I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one.